Hey friends, well, this is reason to celebrate. It is football season officially, and so we are in the Family Fare Test Kitchen with Lauren DeVries talking about how we can find the best snacks for game day. And whether you like to cook or you want them to do all the cooking for you, you can take care of us either way.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we have so many options where you can do, a lot of cooking on your own and do a lot of prep work, or we have a ton of easy options as well where you don't have to spend hours in the kitchen in advance. You can just pick up a couple things at your local family fair and you're good to go.
I know you guys always make it so easy for us. So let's kind of go down the line.
Yeah,
so for those maybe
absolutely.
with littles and people who want to get their hands dirty, these footballs are the cutest.
Yeah, and they're a super fun recipe available on the Our Family Foods website, but you literally just crush up like potato chips and pretzels and chocolate cookies and popcorn and mix it with marshmallow and top it with some chocolate, and so good.
I mean, and then I love the colors. You got kind of Lions colors going on there. So super cute. And the whole family can get involved.
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely. All right. So, and nachos happen to be one of my favorites, but these look like an interesting take.
Yeah, they are. So these are like pulled pork nachos, but they're topped with the Finest Reserve barbecue sauce. So on there, I've got the sweet mesquite molasses sauce, just to add a little bit of kick and flavor to the traditional nacho.
Perfect. And you guys have a whole line. Let's talk about these sauces.
Yeah, we do. We have like a tangy Carolina, we have a honey habanero, all of the great flavors that you'd love for really any game day recipe, whether you're doing like chicken wings or nachos, whatever your heart desires.
There you go, any flavor you want. And then, you know, this is super easy. You're going to a party, you want to grab a couple things, you guys got us covered right here in the middle.
Oh, absolutely. And we have our new dill pickle chips as well.
Ooh, yum.
Super fun flavor, and the classics like the ripple chip, the barbecue. And all of the fun dips as well. And these are just a few of like the many that we have, but if you stop over in the deli and produce areas, we have so many options.
And then of course we've got pizza, everyone's favorite.
Absolutely.
At least mine, right?
Oh, me too. And we've got some fun varieties from Finest Reserve as well. So we have our new premium pizza line, and they're all imported from Italy. So it's a hand-stretched crust, and it's topped with Italian mozzarella. We have the spicy pepperoni with a hot honey drizzle to go on top of it as well.
Yum.
And then the roasted vegetable, the margarita and basil, and then we also have like a spinach and goat cheese one as well.
I love that roasted vegetable. Looks amazing.
So good.
You feel a little bit better about eating that when you get
Exactly.
Too, right? And then continuing kind of on the Italian theme, you got some fabulous looking meatballs over here.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's our new Finest Reserve marinara sauce. We just imported all of those from Italy as well.
Wow.
So they are like the best of the best sauces with super great flavor. It makes for a really easy recipe. I literally just grabbed a bag of Our Family meatballs and the marinara, threw it in the oven, and it's easy.
There you go. And talk a little bit more about the Finest Reserve. You guys have such a line of products
Yeah,
there.
we do. We just launched that recently, and yeah, we have the barbecue sauces and the marinaras, the pizzas, but then we also have frozen pastas and salad dressings. We've got premium chocolates. We're soon gonna have some like dry pasta as well to pair with all of those new sauces. We've got the pestos and the alfredos, lots of great flavors.
Oh my gosh. And then of course we've got our cookies. You guys have the bakery, and you can get custom made stuff.
Yes, you can. I just called up the bakery in advance of this game and asked for a specific color for my team, and you can call up and get any flavor and color that you want.
And of course, you know, we talk about the cookies, but maybe you want to bring something a little bit healthier to the party. You guys got fruits and veggie trays.
We do, absolutely. And you can head over to shopfamilyfare.com and place your order in advance, and it's ready to pick up at the store, or you can get it delivered to your house for a super easy solution for your party.
Wonderful. And so what if people want to learn more about these products and get some recipes for those pulled pork nachos, things like that? Where can they go?
Yeah, they can head over to the Our Family Foods website. We've got the recipe for the popcorn footballs out there and a lot of other really great game day recipes.
Perfect. So got you covered here. Swing into Family Fare, call ahead and get the custom cookies. I'm all about that. Let them do the work for you.
Make it easy.
Sit back and enjoy the game.
Right.
All right, Lauren, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for having me.